Okay, I got a question. How much room do we want on this side? I could bring it up tight, but I think we should have a walk path. Maybe like 3 feet, 4 feet.
Yep.
Okay, and then over here, I can bring the tongue all the way to the wall, but we probably want to have room in front of the tongue to walk around and get, so we keep these shelves here. So maybe bring the tongue up to about here.
Yeah, that looks about right.
So take a look over here and see if you like this width. A little tighter than I said, but.
I think it's about good.
So once I straighten it out?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so that's pretty straight there. Now here, do we want, and let me straighten this out first. Okay, so we've got about that much room to get around in front of. Is that enough, or do we want to bring it up tighter? About there? And then, oh, I got to straighten it out a bit. So that gives plenty of room to set up shop here, and I can park the truck over there, and then we bring the car in, can put it behind the truck. Okay, that looks good. Oh yeah, that's good. So that much room or a little more?
That's good.
You can't do this with a pickup truck. Even with those other tugs, the ones that go on and out here, you couldn't get in this close. And with this one, if I move this shelf, I could pull this tongue all the way up to within a foot of the wall. This makes my shop a lot bigger because I can bring this trailer in nose first, drop the door down and work out of the back of it. If I had to do it with a pickup, I'd have to leave it on the other end with the tongue right to the door and then work back in here.